our Thermovac 50 gallon per minute oil purifier built for Seattle City Light to dehydrate, degas, and remove carbon fines from transformer oil. It's on our test bench right now, processing a little over 50 gallons per minute. This unit has a Doble moisture monitor. It reads in percentage of saturation and moisture content in parts per million. Our vacuum system and vacuum exhaust filters. This unit has a heater bank with 96 kW of low watt density heat. Look at the control panel. And I'll point the camera inside of our vacuum chamber. Hopefully it'll show up. You can see oil cascading off of our disperser elements that are inside the vacuum chamber. That's really where the distillation process occurs.